user 3, user 2, user 3. Connect revenue, I cannot put search data. User 4, user 5, user 6, user CD slash home. Yeah, nothing is there. Okay. So how to create the user? User and user
Name.
one. So user and user one is nothing but a gesture. So it will take the default. It will take the default default UID, right? Cat slash etc or grep hyphen I user one slash etc password. Okay, you see, user one is created. This is the password. So this is the password. Yeah, guys. So what we can use? So we can one second. Guys. Yeah. So we can create a user one created and X is nothing but a password. First is nothing but a first 1000 is nothing but a UID. The second 3032 is the GID. Home user one is the home user for the user one. Bin bash is nothing but a he is able to access the system mission. Right, guys. It's right. Yeah, I will show you. I will show you. So user add hyphen you want to create you want to give a particular UID user two, right? So again grep user two. So if you are not giving any UID, specific UID, it will be taking as a 1001, 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003. But if you are giving a specific UID, so it will show it will take the specific UID of 1010. It will take the specific UID 1010. Right. So you want to add the user add hyphen G Linux CNG, right? Linux CNG user 3. So what you are providing? So you are providing a primary group as a Linux engineering. Let's check it. What is the user 3? Okay. So user 3, the primary UID is So this is the UID, this is the GID. So this user is belongs to this group. Which group this is? ID user 3. ID user 3. You see? So the user 3 having 10111. 1011 is the UID, 2020 is nothing but related to Linux engineering. The other group also Linux engineering. Okay. So you want to change. So the primary group is Linux engineering and the secondary group is Cloud ENG. Cloud ENG user 4. Right. Now check the user 4. Okay. So this user is related to this group. This user is related to this group, primarily this group and ID user 4. You see, so this is the user and like this is the primary group and this is the secondary group. This is the primary group and this is the secondary group. Guys, understood? So next user add hyphen yes has been no login, has been no login. User 6, right? What is this user? User, yeah. So user 6 contains 1013. So we are not providing any primary group or secondary group. That's the reason itself behaves as a primary group. So has been no login. So let's try to, so I'm creating a password. Okay. So password for the user. So what are the fields in the password? So for example, fields in the password. So what are the fields in the password? These are the fields, right? These are the fields. Yeah, this is the bin bash and this is the has been login. What this is? So this is the one instructor. So this is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. Sixth, seven. Okay. So this is a six and a seven. Same like user one. So user one, six, seven. Right. So what are the fields, guys? What is the first one? First is nothing but a username. So what is username? It is used when user logs in. When the user logs in. So right. So what is the second one? Second one is password. So an X character. What is that? An X character indicates the encrypted password is stored in the slash it is shadow file. An X character that encrypted password is stored in slash etc shadow file. What is that? So password NX character indicates that the encrypted password is stored in the shadow files. Okay. So what is the third one? Third one is UID. What is that? User ID. User ID is nothing but a UID. UID, right? So what is that fourth one? Fourth one is group ID. Group ID is nothing but a GID. Right. So fifth one. What is the fifth one? Fifth one is user ID info. So user ID info. The comment field. What is this? So this is the comment field. So it allow you to add an extra information about the user, such as user's full name, phone number, etc. Okay. So what this is? The comment field. It allow you to add extra information about the user, extra information about the users, such as users full name, phone number, etc. Okay, so what is the sixth one? Sixth one is nothing but a home directory. What is that? So it's a home directory for the every user slash etc home. So what is the seventh one, guys? Seventh one is nothing but a shell. So bin bash is nothing but a able to log in the machine or server. Able to log in the machine or server. Unable to log in the machine. Unable to log in the machine. Yes, understood? Now let's check it. Yeah, control L is nothing but a clear guide. Pass WD. What is the pass WD? Pass WD. Pass WD is the command to change the password. So what is the password? So we set for cat slash etc pass WD. Right. What is the user having? User 4, user 6. Okay. Okay. Pass WD user 4. Red hat at the rate 1 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 Okay. Pass WD for user 6. Red hat at the rate 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm taking the duplicate session. I'm taking a duplicate session. First, I log in as a user 4. I log in as a user 4. Okay. User 4 having the bin bash. User 6 having the sbin no login. Sbin no login. Okay. Yeah. Login name as a user 4. Password is red hat at the front. Yeah. So user 4 is able to access the server because of he is having the bin bash. Is having the bin bash. Duplicate session. User 6 having the sbin no login. User 6 ready hat at the is it's closed so because of this has been no login. Has been no login. Yes, understood.